Welcome to Fun Quiz Channel.
What is the process by which plants use sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose? A. Photosynthesis. Which of the following is not a type of mammal? A. Tadpole. What is the primary function of roots in plants? A. Nutrient absorption. Which of the following is a cold-blooded animal? A. Frog. What is the largest mammal in the world? B. Blue whale. Which of the following is not a natural disaster? C. Tsunami caused by climate change. What is the process by which animals break down food to release energy? A. Digestion. Which of the following is a nocturnal animal? A. Owl. What is the outermost layer of the Earth called? A. Crust. Which of the following is not a type of cloud? C. Volcano.